G'day, my name is Johnny Durant. I'm from Polokwane. I'm a 4x4 outdoor adventurer, enthusiast. We're at the Polokwane 4x4 club playground. The culture in Polokwane, it's very much like a 4x4 adventurer culture. We were a couple of friends and we were on an extreme course. I had a beautiful Jeep, and as the day goes on, you try to push the limits, and unfortunately I fell over, or I rolled over backwards, and the Jeep was a total write-off. That brings me to what we've built here. It's an old vehicle. It's a 1984 Toyota Hilux. First of all, we started off with building an external roll cage. If it does fall over, it's protected and the body is protected. As you can see, we took off the whole rear part of this buck, and we took off the chassis as well, and we built a custom-built chassis. We've put in long travel shocks, which is a 14-inch shock, in order for us to get extreme or more articulation in the rear of the vehicle to stretch its legs over the rocks. And what makes this one really special or different from all other rock crawlers is the one-link suspension. The one-link suspension we built in order to protect the prop shaft or the drive shaft from any rocks that can damage it from the bottom. If we go to the front, you will find on the inside it's got a dual transfer case. What we did by that was we installed a transfer case behind the other transfer case, and that makes it a double low gearing for the vehicle to crawl on very low speeds over rocks. We've got much more control. And then on the wheels, what we've done was we installed an internal beadlock that stretched the wheel on the inside. It's like a very low profile tube that stretched the beads of the wheel in order for the wheels not to come off the rim. The wheel pressures we can then run at very low pressures, as this wheel now is at the 0.4 bar of pressure inside the wheel, and the internal beadlock protects it from not coming off the rim. We've lifted the tie rod of the steering wheel to be above the leaf springs in order to protect it from any rocks. Okay, let me show you what this beast can do. We're first going to enter the hole. Then we've got an obstacle here on our left hand side. I'm going to try and approach it from an angle. We engage our rear locker and try it in low range. So I'm going to engage it in super low, which is the dual transfer case, and see what happens. So up we go. Okay, a little bit backwards. Put it in normal low, just to gain a little bit of speed. And we go backwards a little bit. Okay. There we out. Crawler gear again, and see if we can do it as slow as possible. Normal four-wheel drive. Okay, and then we go. Backwards. Crawler gear. Take it out of the crawler gear into normal four-wheel drive. The purpose for me parking the car like this is just to show you how the vehicle stretches its legs, show you how it articulates the front and the rear suspension, and how we do our rock crawling here in Polokwane. Thank you for visiting us here in Polokwane. We really appreciate your effort. Come and make a turn here. We've got nice obstacles. We enjoy it here. And bring your cars. We'll show you how to wheel here. Thank you.